And away from that, the majority in Parliament is defending the Chief Justice's proposal to increase the number of Supreme Court judges to 20. Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu has recommended 5 judges to President Akufo-Addo for appointment to the Supreme Court, citing a high number of cases. While the National Democratic Congress has condemned the move and described it as unlawful, Majority Leader Alexander Afenyo-Markin insists that the proposal falls within the legal framework. He addressed journalists in Parliament.
The Chief Justice, Justice Gertrude Tokonu, in a letter to President Akufo-Addo, recommended the nomination of 5 more justices to the Supreme Court, increasing the number from the current 15 to 20. Her reasons were that having at least 20 justices at the Supreme Court would help ensure a more efficient and speedy hearing of cases and also reduce the workload on justices of the Apex Court. But addressing journalists, the National Democratic Congress, NDC, described the move as unconstitutional. The NDC indicated that President Akufo-Addo has already packed the Apex Court with too many loyalists of the New Patriotic Party. Hence, there was no need for more justices. Addressing journalists in Parliament on Monday, the Majority Leader, Alexander Afenyo-Markin, provided some justifications on the need for an increase of justices of the Supreme Court.
The Chief Justice has not bypassed the Judicial Council. The Chief Justice hasn't acted anything unconstitutional nor illegal. What she has done is to provide a background within the mandate of her constitutional powers to aid the president, guide, advise. And in fact, the president was not bound by the proposed names that she had sent to the presidency. You get my point? So at this stage, in real terms, the appointment really has not been triggered or nothing has been initiated. These are preparatory stages that are not provided for by the Constitution. The Constitution only talks about the appointment. So what it means is that what it means is that after this stage, then the president would officially guide it. And bear in mind that as a head of states, commander-in-chief of the armed forces, he would have to rely on such institutional support to make certain decisions. We would rest the matter here and encourage our NDC friends to allow institutions to grow. We should not do partisan politics with every issue within the national space.
Well, the Majority Caucus in Parliament says the National Democratic Congress, NDC, must eschew politicizing state institutions in the country. Reporting for Channel One News, my name is Ni Ayikwe Okai.